Hello friends and welcome to my channel OrgaNatic. In this video I will share a few tips on how to efficiently fold your clothes in a closet or suitcase, which will help you to fit a lot more things in a small space. If you like videos about home organization, please subscribe to my channel and let's get started. Let's fold some pants. First, fold the waist inside out, leaving a strip of about 2 to 3 inches wide. Next, slightly cross the legs like this and fold each leg towards the middle. The rest is easy. Roll everything up starting from the top. Keep it tight if you want the roll to be smaller. Finally, pull out the waist and fold it over the roll to secure it. That's it! It is called a military roll. Here is a tip on where to keep your belt. Wrap it around your pants like this, and it will barely take up any space. For t-shirts, start with folding the bottom inside out, leaving a strip approximately 2 to 3 inches wide. Then fold the sleeves over and fold both sides 1/3 of the way each. Roll everything up from the top and secure it by folding out the bottom. Now you can put this neat roll on a shelf or in a drawer. Now let's take a look at the example with a dress. In this case I fold the bottom inside out, leaving a strip about 4 inches wide. If you have sleeves, fold them over to the center and fold the sides in as we did with the t-shirt. Finally, carefully roll everything up and fold the bottom out to secure it. Moving on to the socks. You are going to need to tighten the elastic band like this, then roll the socks up. Secure it the same way as we did before. That's it! To roll up the sweater, fold both sleeves starting from the base to the middle, then fold them down in a straight line. Fold the bottom inside out. Leave a strip depending on the thickness of the sweater. Fold the sides towards the center and form a military roll as before. Next I'm going to show you a way to store towels nicely. Fold one of the short sides over. About 4 inches should be enough. Then fold the long sides towards the center and roll it up. I personally love the final result. I use this folding method mainly for the kids' clothes. When my daughter has a sleepover at her friend's house, I fold her clothes in a military roll with smaller things hidden inside. It doesn't take up much space in her backpack and everything stays in the same place. The best way I found to pack our clothes when we go on a trip is in organizers like these. Take a look at the final result and judge for yourself. If you liked this video, please show it to me by hitting the like button. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new. See you next week. Bye bye!